Look at all the stars!
Riko world, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko world, hooray!
One golden afternoon in sunny forest, Riko and Max went camping. They tried to set up their tent, but it kept falling down. "Oh no," said Riko. Max pushed. Riko pulled. Again and again they tried. Finally, the tent stood up tall. "We did it!" they cheered together. They cooked warm soup over the campfire. The forest smelled wonderful. Stars began to appear in the sky. "Wow! Look at all the stars!" whispered Riko. Nana landed softly nearby and smiled. Being brave means trying, even when it feels new. Riko and Max waved goodbye. See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko world, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko world.